Hello friends, welcome back to the channel. Now topic is extended transition function for NFA. Last time we have seen extended transition function for DFA also. Okay, so here we have considered one example of NFA. In case of extended transition function, we are giving input as string instead of symbol. Okay, so here we have considered input string as 0101 and our initial state is Q0. Okay, we will start with the first step, that is we already know that delta cap of Q0 comma empty is always the state itself, but here I have written it in curly bracket because we are in NFA. Okay, so same is the step in case of DFA also, that is if we provide empty symbol to any state, then that state will remain in same state. Okay, so the first step is what? Our first input symbol is 0101. Okay, so first I'll read the symbol 0. Okay, so I'll again convert this into a format, that is delta cap of Q0 comma WA is equal to delta cap of Q0 comma W comma A. Okay, this formula is already mentioned in the video of extended transition function of DFA. Okay, so we have same formula here, but output is different. Okay, so I have written same in this format. Okay, so I know, so delta cap of Q0 comma empty is equal to comma 0. Okay, so now I know the value of this term. Okay, so delta cap of Q0 comma empty is having this value is taken from this step. Okay, so that is nothing but Q0 comma 0. Okay, so how we know that the value of this term? Delta of Q0 0. Now here we have two output, that is either Q0 or Q1. So delta of, so this will produce Q0 comma Q1. Okay, now next step is delta cap of Q0 comma 01. Okay, now next input symbol is what? 1. Okay, so again I'll write the same in the format, that is delta cap of Q0 comma 0 comma 1. Okay, so I know value of this term from the last step. Okay, so delta of, now value of this term is what? We have received two state, that is Q1 comma Q2 comma 1. Okay, so again we will divide this in delta cap of Q0 comma 1. Here you have to take union of these two. Okay, so what is the value of this? Delta cap of Q0 comma 1, Q0 comma 1, this will produce Q0 itself union delta of Q1 comma 1. Q1 comma 1 is nothing but Q2. Okay, so union of these two is Q0 comma Q2. Okay, so value of delta cap of Q0 comma 01 is nothing but, okay, now next step delta cap of, now next step is what? Delta cap of Q0 comma 010. The next input symbol is 0. Okay, so again I'll write in that format, that is delta cap of Q0 comma 01 comma 0. Value of this term is this, that is delta of Q0 comma Q2 comma 0 is equal to delta of, we have to again take union of these two, Q2 comma 0. Okay, so Q00 will produce Q0 Q1. Okay, we have two states, that is Q0 Q1 output. Okay, and delta of Q2 0 is empty set, so output is union of these two is Q0 Q1 itself. Okay, now the next step that is delta of q0 comma 0101 is equal to, next last symbol is what, 1. That's why delta cap of q0 comma 010 comma 1 is equal to, output of this term is value of this. Okay, so the delta of q0 comma q1 comma 1. Okay, so that is nothing but delta of q0 comma 1 union delta of q1 comma 1 is equal to q01 is nothing but q0 union q11 is nothing but q2. Okay, so output is what, q0 q2. Okay, so now we have seen that output is q0 q2. In case of DFA, if we get single output state and if that state belongs to set of final state, then we can say that this string is accepted by the given DFA. But here we, in case of NFA, we have received two states, that is q0 and q1, means what, output state may be q0 or output state may be q2. Okay, but acceptance of given string is there if this output include this one of the state from accept state. Okay, here I have q2 as output state and q2 is my final state. That's why we can say that the given string is accepted by this NFA. Okay, so in case of NFA, after reading the whole string, if we receive number of states and in that state we have any state as a final state, then we can say that the given string is accepted by this NFA. Okay, hope so you have understood what is meant by extended transition function in case of NFA. If you like this video, please share this video and subscribe to my channel. Thank you very much.